Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change city in Uber driver. Make sure to watch the video till the end and follow all the steps. And if you're like on your mobile phone or on your browser or laptop or PC, just go to the Google and search here change city Uber driver. And if you're trying to do it through the mobile application, so you won't be able to do it. However, if you are in the mobile and go to the browser and just make sure to open the first website, drive in a new city, driving and delivery. And once you're on this section, drive in a new city. This is basically the official help section of Uber.com, and you can just read down all the information that they have given the 4 points and city you want to drive in. Make sure to write down the name of the city that you want to drive in, and make sure to take this on. This is a permanent change, and you can read that we don't support temporary city changes as changes may take up to 14 days to process. Make sure to read down all the information, go to the links and follow all the steps. Is there anything else you would we should know? You can just add the information. If you think anything is more important, you can just add it and click on submit. And once you click on submit, they will contact you through the email address and like ask some maybe the reason why you're changing the city permanently or anything else. You can just follow all the steps, stay in touch with them, and after that you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can change city in Uber driver.